Hey guys, it's Noelle. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past few months, you know that I love bullet journaling. And one of my favorite things about it is that it's super customizable. That means that if you're looking to create and track a personalized fitness plan, your Bujo is the perfect place to do it. You can get super detailed and track your entire exercise plan down to every push-up and lunge, or you can keep it super simple and just track whether or not you're getting good sleep and eating your fruits and veggies. I'm so excited to show you exactly how to track your fitness in your bullet journal. But before I do, definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips and tricks. All right, let's go. The first spread we're gonna jump into is your morning routine spread. The first thing that I did was draw a line down the side of the page that takes up enough rows to represent my entire morning routine, which lasts from 5 to 8:15. What's great about the morning routine spread is that it really keeps you accountable for sticking to your fitness routine. So to keep myself accountable, I list my schedule from beginning to end every morning. So I wake up at 6:15 on Monday. After that, I shower and get ready, and then I work in some time to travel. Then I have breakfast, and then I head to class. Mondays are a rest day for me, so I don't work in a workout. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I work in time to go to the gym. And then I get dressed, I travel to the gym, then I work out, and then I return back to my Monday schedule, which is go get breakfast and go to class. You can customize this to your schedule, obviously. Mine, I work in rest days on Monday, Friday, and Sunday, but your routine might be completely different. So you make this spread work for you, including your cute little title and all your doodles. The next tracker that I'm gonna show you is a miles tracker. I call it a miles tracker because for some people, running isn't a thing. This spread helps you keep track of when and how far you walk or run, whatever works for you. First, I drew out 3x3 boxes all over the page in different colors. These boxes are meant to represent times that I went running or walking. Then I drew the title for my page, which was Miles Tracker. Up in the top right corner, I made a total box so that at the end of the year, I can add together how many miles I ran and put the total in that box. To use this spread, I write the date of when I exercised under the box, and then inside the box, you write how many miles you ran, walked, jogged, crawled, whatever. So that's the gist of it. This spread will really motivate you to get out there and exercise. And at the end of the year, you'll get to add it up, look back, and see how much you've grown. The next spread that I want to show you is an exercise schedule. This spread is to help you break down your exercise routine step by step. What I did was draw a box the width of the page with 35 rows. Then I made columns on the left and right. Then I separated the box into 7 rows to represent the days of the week. Then I wrote the days of the week alternating left and right. Then for each day, I wrote down what the exercise routine for that day is. For Monday, Friday, and Sunday, I wrote down rest because those are my rest days. Then on Saturday, I put in class because maybe on the weekend you like to go to the gym and do a fun workout class with an instructor. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I wrote down the areas that I'm gonna work on the left. The right is to break down your exact exercise, and I left mine empty because you can fill that in with whatever your exercise routine entails. If it's your arm day, an example of that might be you do 10 push-ups and 10 tricep dips. Fitness isn't all about exercising and eating. It's also about keeping track of how you're feeling. And that's why this spread is perfect. A pain log is pretty simple to set up. What I did was write pain log at the top of the page. Then under that, I made a chart with 5 columns. One for the date, time, where your pain is, details about that pain, and what you were doing when the pain started. So how you can use this is to really just detail when you have pain and how it feels. You'll see in my chart, I wrote on December 28th at 4:15 p.m., I got a moderate headache that let up when I closed my eyes. And that was after a long day of class. The next spread is a meal planner. You can use this spread to help you A, plan balanced meals, and B, to actually get all the ingredients you need to make them. First, I made a chart and separated it into 7 columns and 3 rows. I listed the days of the week across the top 7 columns and then wrote breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the left rows. Then you just fill it in with your meals for each day. This is a great way to know what ingredients you have at the beginning of the week and what you need to get in order to make sure you're eating healthy and balanced meals throughout the week. The last spread that I want to share with you is the sleep, vitamins, and fruit and veggies tracker. To make this spread, I drew out 3 boxes. The top box is the sleep tracker. Across the top, I wrote out 1 through 31 to represent the days of the month. And on the left, I numbered it from 1 to 10 from bottom to top to represent the amount of hours I could potentially sleep. The second box is the vitamins tracker, and that is just 1 row. And then I made a 3rd box at the bottom for fruits and veggies. For that one, I gave it 9 rows to represent the amount of servings of fruits and veggies I could potentially have in a day. On the left of each box, I wrote out what I'm tracking in each box in fun colors and cursive. To fill in the sleep tracker, all you have to do is draw a box that represents the amount of hours you slept the night before. For the vitamins tracker, if you took your vitamins a particular day, just X out that box. For the fruits and veggies tracker, this one is a little fun because if you ate fruits, fill in a box with pink, because fruits are pink like strawberries and watermelon, and veggies, is watermelon a vegetable? And then veggies are obviously green, like broccoli and lettuce. That's it. I hope this video helps you figure out how you want to track your fitness plan in your Bujo. Now definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips and tricks. Bye.